Welcome, welcome, you're at my corner. Are you ready for today? I've got a big list for me and you. There's lots to do. Quick, come on through. At Courtney Carrot's Corner, at Courtney Carrot's Corner. Why don't you come and join us at Courtney Carrot's Corner? Hey, it's Courtney Carrots here and welcome to my corner, where we learn, explore and meet new friends. How is everyone today? Great! Welcome to my imagination corner. Now let's see where our imagination will take us today. Let's have a think. Guys, let's go to outer space. This is super exciting because I actually have a friend who lives in outer space. His name's Jesse. He's an alien. A friendly one though. He's usually soaring through the Milky Way galaxy on his spaceship. The Milky Way is where you and I both live. Now I think we can get him to come over here if we all take a deep breath in and on the count of 3 we go, "G'day, Jesse!" Can we do it? Alright, get ready. Deep breath in. 1, 2, 3. G'day, Jesse! Hey! I was just zooming around in my spaceship looking for you, Courtney Carrots. Hey, who is this? Hey, Jesse. These are all of my friends. What are you doing in the Milky Way today? I was trying to count and name all of your beautiful planets, but I kept getting confused. What number comes after which and what planet goes where? Oh, Jesse, we can help you with that. I have a favorite song for remembering all of the planets and their names. Do you guys think we can help Jesse with this? Me too. Alright, everybody take a deep breath in and get your big singing voices ready. We've got the sun that keeps our planet warm and fun. How many planets are away from the sun? Number 1, that's Mercury. Number 2, that's Venus. Number 3, that's Earth, that's you and me. Number 4, keep going, we've got Mars. Number 5, that's Jupiter. Number 6, that's Saturn. Number 7 and 8, that's Uranus and his mate Neptune. And that's all the planets we've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See, I told you we could help you. And good counting, everybody. Hooray! Oh, great. We're glad that we could help. Oh, we forgot one. Oh, no, we didn't, Jesse. That's Pluto. Now, Pluto is very special. Pluto's a little bit too small to be a planet, so it gets a very special name called dwarf planet. Fun fact, just like our sun is super, super hot, Pluto is super, super cold. Oh, I didn't know you guys had dwarf planets. Oh no, Jesse, what's wrong now? It's Luca. She's not very nice and she calls me mean names. I must hide. Everybody, hide! Jesse, we shouldn't hide from her. Come on out, everybody. It's not very nice to hide from new people, is it? No way. What if she is really, really nice and you end up being really, really good friends? She isn't really nice. She calls me mean names. She once called me an onion. Oh, hey there, silly onion. See? What are you doing in the Milky Way, Luca? I'm here to steal your prized planet Earth and take it back to my galaxy, and then I'll have heaps of friends to play with and I'll never get lonely again. Ha! But you can steal planet Earth. It's home to all of my new friends. I can do what I want. Catch me if you can, onion. Oh no! Luca is gone and she's going to steal planet Earth and all of our friends are on planet Earth. What are we going to do? Well, I guess we're just gonna have to catch up with her. Come on, Jesse, let's go. Wait, but
but she ran through those asteroids. We will never get through there.
Well, we're gonna have to. Come on, let's go. Let's go, everybody. We're gonna have to be super quick. So when I say asteroid, we have to duck. Are we ready? All right. Go, go, go! Asteroid, duck! 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 Go, go, go! We made it! Yes! What good luck!
I thought I was going to lose my antennas.
Okay, but where did she go next?
You may have gotten through the asteroids, Onion, but I can go around the sun because my spaceship is immune to heat.
Luca, wait! Tell us how we can help you. You don't have to steal Earth. That's where me and all of my friends live.
You don't understand. What are we going to do? We can't get around the sun. We'll melt.
I know. What are we going to do? I've got an idea. Let's go around Mercury instead of the sun.
Which one was Mercury again?
Mercury is the closest planet to the sun, so it's still really hot, but I think we might just be able to get around it.
Let's go!
I'm glad we did that without melting. Whoa.
I'm just glad my ice cream in my spaceship didn't melt.
Jessie, put that back. Come on, this is serious. We have to save Earth. That's where we live.
Oh, right. Look, there's Luca.
Luca, you have to stop right now. You can't take Earth away from its home in the Milky Way.
Why not? Other galaxies are so boring, and I don't have anyone to play with there or any friends.
Luca, if you've been feeling lonely, you shouldn't try and steal Earth. You should ask us to be your friends. We're really nice, aren't we?
You guys wouldn't be my friends, would you? You've been pretty mean to me. You hurt my feelings. I'm sorry for calling you names, Jessie. I shouldn't be calling you or anyone else an onion. Okay, Luca. I'm sorry too. I was just a little bit scared earlier, so I hid from you. Sorry.
Hey everybody, you'll be Luca's friend, won't you? See, Luca? Everybody wants to be your friend.
Thanks, everyone. Jessie, are you sure you want to be my friend? Yeah! Let's go to another galaxy and find some planets. Okay, I'll race you. Let's go!
Well, that was an adventure. I'm so proud of you for helping Jessie, Luca and I solve all of those problems. And I hope you're proud of yourself too. Now, I can't wait to see you back here in the Imagination Corner next time. I'm so looking forward to it. See you then. See ya.